So in previous class, I forgot to tell one thing about print statement. So first we will cover that, then we move to another thing. So today we will run the Python code from Notepad. So let's see how it works. So in Notepad also, you can save a file and run from the normal powers. So let's first open the PowerShell. So what you have to do? Shift plus right click. Then shift plus right click. Then open PowerShell window here. See that where I have done right click in the desktop, isn't it? So the PowerShell folder will be also in desktop. Can you see? That is the desktop. So yes. So the folder name is desktop. But anywhere, now currently the thing is in desktop. So suppose I am closing the, suppose I am closing, and suppose I am going to this PC and suppose download. And here in this folder, suppose I do shift plus right click and open power window here. That means, can you see here it is download. So that means where your PowerShell current folder is, there only you have to make the Python file. Otherwise, you have to change. How to change the folder? It is, I think, it is not in our um, learning objective. We will only learn in Python. So I am just telling you should open the PowerShell where your Python file is situated. So okay, no problem. I am using actually I am opening in the desktop only. So in desktop, shift plus right click, shift plus right click and open power window here. Okay. So I am opening Notepad, normal Notepad. Notepad plus plus is also there. We will later use that. So normal Notepad file is opened. Here we can write Python file. Suppose you all know now that A is equal to, suppose I am writing Amit, again Amit. Okay, so that means A is the name of the variable and Amit is a string. So A is storing Amit. B is storing 27. Suppose this is a number. So I can write print the age of then variable A I am printing. That means what will happen? The age of Amit, because A is now not common A letter. A is a variable. So the age of A then is, I am writing, then I am concatenating B, isn't it? So the age of Amit is 27 like that. So I am saving this file, save as in desktop only. Okay. And suppose I am writing code, but the extension will not be txt. The extension will be .py. because it is the Python file. No? So you have to tell computer it's a normal, not normal file, it's a Python file. So that's why code.py and I am saving. So now if you go to this PowerShell and if you write Python, okay, you are not entering into Python. So Python, then file name. File name is code.py. Now enter something, some uh, error is coming. Type error can only concatenate string to string. Okay. So what is the error? I can't concatenate string with integer. 27 is integer, isn't it? So now I am converting 27 into string. How? If you give this, isn't it? That's how you will learn. You save again and then run again. Yeah. The age of Amit is 27. I am giving some space here. Okay. And another space here, another space is here, and then save, then again run. Then again run. So in the it is the PowerShell. PowerShell, while you are in PowerShell, uh, if you click the button up arrow, the previous command will come. So see that I haven't written anything. I just put the previous. See that whatever previous long time ago, whatever command I have done, all command is coming by clicking up arrow again and again. Now I want the latest command, isn't it? Previous, the the first last command. So python.code.py. Yeah, the age of Amit is 27 is correct, isn't it? So now I want to show something. So I am telling, suppose A is uh, 27. No, A is 1. B is 1. Print A plus B. Print A plus B. A plus B. What will be the output? Definitely normal was A 1 plus 1, 2, isn't it? Coming. But suppose, can you tell me what can be the output of this code? I am converting 1 into a string from integer. Now print A plus B. It should be 2, isn't it? Let's see. Yes, no. What is coming? 11. That means 1 is string now, not a number, not an integer. By putting the comma, putting the inverted comma. So now it became 1 1, isn't it? Now, if you that previous error what we got, suppose we are putting one integer, one string, that is not allowed. You can't concatenate a string with a integer. So if I now run the code, you will get a error. Okay. So now, suppose you want to concatenate, what you have to do. Now I will show you. In print statement only, this is the what you called a extension of print statement, what I missed previous. So suppose A is equal to Amit. Ram, this. is equal to RAM. Is equal to 32. Okay, 32 here is the integer. Now I am writing how to remove this bar, how to disable this bar is coming. Yeah, so I can here make isn't it? Yes. So print the age of. Oh, I am forgetting one thing. Can you tell me? It is a string, no? It should be inverted comma. The age of, okay, the age of something. Okay, the age of something. I am not writing that, okay? The age of, I am using this bracket. Now is, what is that? So you have to use dot and the format will be A and B. Let's see what is coming. Then I will explain. So let's save to here and the age of RAM is 32. Can you see in that way you can concatenate a string with number? So what you have to do? See that the age of something. What is that something? The first one is it will put first bracket. A will come here, isn't it? So if I have to now draw something. So the A will come to this bracket because the format is like that, and B will come to the second bracket. That is actually happening. They are feeling. Now I will show another thing. Suppose if I change B into A, B to A, so what will happen? So the B will come to first bracket and A will come to second bracket. It is not true. So what will be the output? The age of 32 is wrong. Isn't it? Let's see. Let's learn. So, so what it is? The age of 32 is wrong. Yeah, that's how you can concatenate different things together. So 3, 4 bracket, that can happen. Like see that suppose I am giving more brackets you can use. The age of RAM is 32, 32, 32, like that it will come very easy. Okay, in 3 bracket, no 3B. So save and then run. The age of RAM is 32, 32, 32, like that it is coming. Okay? So you can add space like that also. Okay? 32, 32. Now that is print is done. So I am adding this thing in the Google Doc so that you can later see what we have done in the print statement. Okay, now print a paragraph. We will cover that. Print a paragraph. How to print a paragraph as it is. I told you, no. So to change the line, you have to add slash in. Okay. So instead of suppose you don't want to add that slash, so what you have to do that I will show you. So suppose another thing I told you no, that the data type is tuple. Some people is saying that it is tuple. So pronunciation maybe tuple is correct, but you have to understand that's it. So um, now what I have to do is I have to show you how you can write a paragraph. So suppose print to write a paragraph as it is, you have to use three comma. Suppose you are writing whatever way, okay, whatever way you are writing that will be shown. If you use three inverted comma, let's see what will be the outcome. Save, then can you see the exact way? You don't need to use the slash n. You change the line and the gap is also there. So that's one thing. So write a paragraph, print a paragraph, okay, by print function. Then in sequence data type, we cover string, list, and tuple. But another thing is also there. Okay? So range, range is included. Range is included in sequence type, data type, sequence data type. What is range? Now we will see. Okay. So let's remove that. Suppose print. Okay. I am printing a list whose range is 10. Let's see. I will explain later what is happening. So save each time you are saving and running the same file again and again. There is a oh, one. See that you have to. This is these two pair, one pair of um, bracket. This is the another pair, one and one. But this pair I need, so I have to put another bracket here. I missed that. So let's finish that. Then we will run. So these brackets save and run. So it is giving a list which is starting from 0 and ending at 9. That means if you want to create a list which contain 0 to 9 number, so you have to give the range 10. That means if you are giving 10, it is stopping before 10. That means up to 9. So if you want to create a list of 10 numbers, from 0 to 10, that means 11 number. So you have to write, if you write 11 here, it will end up to 10. That is the rule. Okay, so 0 to 10, it is coming. So the range function normally contain first parameter as a start, then end point, then the steps. We will see that what it is. So suppose I am starting from 0 and I am ending up to 10. Let's see. File save. running again. Running again the, so see that starting point is 0. It is starting from 0 only. Ending point is 10. That means I told you it will come before 10. Okay. So suppose I am modifying. Suppose I am modifying. It is starting from 2 and ending up to 50. That means tell me what will be the outcome. So 2 to 49 it will print, isn't it? The starting point here is 2, ending point is 50, but it will print up to 49. So 2 to 49. Let's see. 2 to 49. Yes, 2 to 49, which is printing a list, isn't it? So you can also create a set 2 to 49. But here the sequence will not matter. Sequence will be shuffled. And you see, let's see. Let's try. You already know the set. Yeah. Okay. But the thing is that sequence is same. But the again run that. Yeah. Yeah. So this is a set. Now I am creating list only again. But here the step will be 2. That means first starting point 2, then add 2. 2 plus 2, 4. Then 6, then 8, like that. The even number will come. So let's see. Let's run 2, 4, 6 like that. So you can print the even number, isn't it? So you can add anything like 5. So what will be the outcome of that? So it is starting from 2. Then after 2, 2 plus 5, 7. 7 will come. 7 plus 5, 12 will come. 2, 7, 12 like that. Okay. So the range function do like that. Let's again run. Yeah, then 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 5, 17. Like that it is doing that. Isn't it? So that's it. So we forgot to cover that in previous class. So that's why I covered here. So in next class we will start while. So we are ending the thing here. Thank you.